TJB with another video today. The JBL Boombox. This is the original, the first one that came out. The issue I'm having is when I turn the power, I can hear a weird sound. Also, the quality of this speaker has decreased. It used to be amazing. I had this for a few years, been using it for all these years, but I don't know, something happened to it. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You guys heard that? I feel that's the motherboard. Oh, something with the speaker, that crackling sound. That's the issue. I have no idea what it is. I mean, we're gonna take it apart and try to have some fun with it. Oh yeah, these are the ones making that sound. Yep, they're coming from these two little tweeters on the side here. So before I order these, I wanted to test them to make sure that this was the problem. But here's what I'm doing. I actually have some other tweeters, smaller speakers, right? And I'm going to use this for the test. So we have this unplugged, the tweeters unplugged, and we're gonna do positive and negative right here. I'm just gonna hold it in my hands. We're gonna turn the power on. You heard that? I got the exact same crackling on both of those and on this. That has no problems. Guys, I'm gonna turn it off right now. That goes to show you, these drivers are not the issue. The issue is this board. Something's wrong with this board that we have to get to the bottom of it. But those things are fine. So I'm not gonna waste money buying those and replacing them and ended up with the exact same problem. So now we know we need to get to the bottom of that motherboard and figure it out. Continuing our video now, we need to get this board out. In order to do that, we gotta get these speakers out. So Now we gotta be careful with Bluetooth. So for this Bluetooth, I'm just gonna
unglue it off the body. There we go. It's out. There you have it. Now I'm going to inspect this under the microscope.
Just finished a crazy reflow of all of these main chips, right? All of the main ones, even 2 under here. And we're going to put it back and see. I put it all back together. That problem is on and off. It's not as bad as before. Like right now, I just turn it on, you can't hear it at all. But intermittently, it's coming back. And I don't know what exactly is causing that issue. So if you have one of these speakers and you have the same problem and you figured out how to fix it, anyone out there, feel free to send me a message. I would like to get to the bottom of it. For now, I'm going to keep it as is. It seems to be working, you know. And not bad. So it's not bad, but like I said, it'll keep coming back. And I don't know what to do to fully fix it so it's 100%. But like I said, for now, it's good. If you know how to fix it, let me know.